What up? It's your boy,
Wavy Crockett.
and I wanted to give you guys a quick video on what I'm actually working on with my pattern, man. I get this question a lot, like, Wavy Crockett, what are you working on, man? Your waves look good. What actually are you working on? So I wanted to break it down and let you guys see what I'm actually working on. But before we get into that, man, I'm watching the game right now, man. I'm watching the Warriors and the Rockets play right now, man. So Durant, that man is getting off. So what I want y'all to do, man, leave a comment below on who you got in this series. Who you got in this series. Matter of fact, man, I'm taking y'all over there to it right now, man. Taking y'all over there, man. You see him? You see it? You see it? I'm a Laker fan, but them Warriors, boy, I'm telling you, they do not play. But James Harden, they don't play either, man. So leave a comment below on basically who you got in the series, man. Who do you have? Alright, YouTube, so I'm about to show you guys what I'm actually working on with my pattern. So let's get straight into it, man. Alright, so this is the first thing I'm working on. I'm working on this right here. This transition is what I'm working on. So how I'm attacking that transition right now is basically placing the brush right here and just swooping back. Swooping back. That's how I'm breaking it. Before, I was just brushing straight down and then brushing right here. So now I place the brush here and I swoop all the way back. The next thing I'm working on is my crown area. So right here, this transition. So I've been taking the brush, as y'all seen in my last video, and I just go a hard angle right here. So just a hard little you know what I'm saying? I place my head kind of broke neck, and then I just put the brush here and I go attack that angle, man. So that's my next angle that I'm attacking. Alright, YouTube, so Tori woke up from her nap, so she kind of messed up the video, but those are basically the angles that I'm attacking at this moment, man. Just the left side of my crown and the right side transition, man. That's pretty much it. If I work on anything else, I'll let you guys know. But y'all already know, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and say Wavy Crockett signing out. Can you say that? Wavy Crockett signing out.